This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the exact calculator model and current mode so you know why FX appears. Once done, check whether you are in function, program, or graph mode. FX often denotes a stored function. Make sure to back up any important programs or functions to avoid accidental loss. Next, navigate to the mode or catalog where functions are listed so you can begin removal immediately and avoid guessing which menu controls FX. You now find the function list. This can be y equals, fx, var, or the program catalog depending on your model. Once located, move the cursor to the exact fx entry that displays on screen and choose Edit or Delete. When editing, clear the expression fully. When deleting, press DEL or Clear and confirm the prompt. Make sure to repeat for any duplicate or dependent functions. Otherwise, FX can reappear from linked definitions or saved variables. You finish by returning to the home or graph screen and verifying FX is gone by entering a simple calculation. If FX persists, clear the entry line and check for leftover program variables. Use memory or reset options to clear function memory. Make sure to perform a soft reset first. This preserves settings but clears transient data. If nothing works, a factory reset will remove all functions but back up first. Troubleshoot by checking model-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.